Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Just that one word can change your impression. Call a taxi. That sounds a bit strong. What should I say? Could you call a taxi? Could you call a taxi? Go here. That is a bit direct. What sounds natural? Could you take me here? Could you take me here? I want to go to the airport. That is a bit direct. What is a better way? I would like to go to the airport. I would like to go to the airport. Hurry up. That sounds a little rude. How can I say it politely? Could you go a bit faster? Could you go a bit faster? Stop here. That sounds blunt. How should I say it? Could you stop here? Could you stop here? Turn right. That might sound rude. What should I say instead? Could you turn right? Could you turn right? Turn left. That sounds a bit harsh. What is more natural? Could you turn left? Could you turn left? Go straight. That is too casual. How do you say it nicely? Please go straight. Please go straight. This is fine. That sounds a little off. What do people usually say? This is okay here. This is okay here. How much? That is a bit direct. What is the better phrase? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? I use card. That is a bit unnatural. What sounds natural? I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Give me change. That sounds a bit strong. What should I say? Could I have my change? Could I have my change? Give me a receipt. That sounds a little rude. How should I say it? Could I have a receipt? Could I have a receipt? Wait here. That sounds blunt. What is a better way? Could you wait here? Could you wait here? Thank you. That is too casual. What do people usually say? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Could you go a bit faster? Could you go a bit faster? Could you stop here? Could you stop here? Could you turn right? Could you turn right? Could you turn left? Could you turn left? Please go straight. Please go straight. This is okay here. This is okay here. How much is the fare? How much is the fare? I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Could I have my change? Could I have my change? Could I have a receipt? Could I have a receipt? Could you wait here? Could you wait here? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.